So one of the things that we really love about working here with SRISA is that it has the facilities that we need to teach the content of our course. So not only is Florence and Italy in general is a phenomenal place to bring students, but the campus has a dark room that we take advantage of. It has a photo lab. We're able to teach the processes that we want to teach in this environment, and I think beyond that, the school itself provides a really wonderful aspect of community. There's many staff members that are working here that have been here since prior to 2004 when we did our very first program. So when we come back, there's familiar faces. The school even has kept equipment and chemicals for us over the years. So we feel that we have a really wonderful relationship with the staff members at the school, and that anything that we encounter along the way, we're going to get assistance with. That when we want to schedule field trips, or even if we need to call a taxi or whatever it is, we feel like we're doing the study abroad program, we're responsible for our students, but we also have this whole support team of all of the staff members that are at Center Grata that help us when we need to get specialized chemicals for our processes that we're going to do in the darkroom, or if there's an issue with housing, or if there's just an issue with trying to coordinate how are you going to get your whole group of students to Pisa or Lucca on the train. So it's wonderful that we can do this program and feel like as much as we are sort of carrying on our backs to bring all of our students here, that it's still this sort of shared effort among the staff here. And so it's really been, it feels sort of like a kind of second home to us, because we've done this program enough times, and it's just always such a treat and such a privilege to be able to come back again and again.